Welcome back to JayHindi. I'm Pragya. This is my attempt to make a video without Jay's help, and there's a difference of times. Welcome back to JayHindi. This is my awkward attempt to make this video alone without Jay's direct help. There's a difference of time zone, so Jay's probably asleep right now, but he'll be popping in and out of this video.
Hello, Namaste.
And actually pronouncing the sentence after me this time. This video is an example video. It consists of examples of the previous sentence template, which is this. And if you want to check out if you want to have a better understanding of the sentence template, go check the previous video out, the link of which is probably here on the top right corner of your screen. So go check that out. It's like 4 or 5 minute video. It's really simple, and this JayHindi channel is for beginners, as you know. Okay, let's get right into the video. So the first verb is तैरना, तैरना, which means to swim. And the sentence is मुझे तैरना आता है. Jay?
मुझे तैरना आता है.
The next verb is पढ़ना. पढ़ना means to read. It also means to study. मुझे पढ़ना आता है. I know how to read. Jay?
मुझे पढ़ना आता है.
Next verb is लिखना. लिखना means to write. लिखना. मुझे लिखना आता है. Jay?
मुझे लिखना आता है.
Next verb is खेलना. खेलना. Play, which means to play. मुझे खेलना आता है. मुझे खेलना आता है.
मुझे खेलना आता है.
The last verb is नाचना. मुझे नाचना आता है. नाचना means to dance. मुझे नाचना आता है. Jay?
मुझे नाचना आता है.
And that's it. It's almost 5 minutes now. See you guys in the next video. We have more simple sentence templates, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.
Goodbye. फिर मिलेंगे.